Hello everyone! In this video I would like to add some ambient lights in the Volkswagen e-up. I bought this light strip from AliExpress that I'll put a link to the video description. So let me show you first how it looks like a light, and then we will go to the process of the mounting it. This is the light strip that I bought, and it has a cigarette lighter adapter and some transformer here. When I power it up, it emits the color like this, and I'm planning to put it here all the way from the steering wheel to the end of the car. So let's go with the process of mounting it. To mount the strip light, I will use the tools like this. I'll put the link in the description. They are plastic, so they cannot hurt the plastic itself. So the plan is to mount them into the hole here. There's a hole between this carbon-like plastic and the black one, and I will just need to push this strip light into the holdings, the hole. So now it is on the other end that I need to mount it. Here I think I can mount it with just one finger. Okay, I'll go all the way through here. And hide it on the back. Here I'll try to remove the cap like this and hide the strip light just behind this cap here. Let me go all the way through here, and then I will put it here like that. I hope you see it. Okay, and I will have to remove this cap somehow. Okay, that is better. I will hide all the stuff here, and then I will connect it to the 12 volt power supply. Okay, I think they're good. No, it's not good. It needs to be hidden better. Now I think it's becoming better. This is something that maybe I need to hide also. For now I'll leave it like that. Okay, let me show you. Now it's time to power it up. This is how the ambient light looks into the daylight. And now it's time to test it at night. This is how the ambient light looks at night. You can see it's not very bright actually, so maybe I should consider upgrading to more brighter version. Alright, this was my first attempt to add ambient light to the Volkswagen e-up. I think in future I will do multi-color ambient light in the car, and I will try to connect it with the daylight sensor on the car, so that it can automatically turn on off whenever the daylight sensors of the car detects that it's nighttime. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.